Hi, welcome once again to Talk Jamaican. Remember to get your copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com. Subscribe to this channel and like and share with your friends. In these free lessons in Jamaican patois, I do a commentary in patois, then I give you an overview in English so that you can follow with your book. Have a great day. So what I go on? Me say a long time everybody know say Jamaican people are the fastest runner them in the world, Look how long Usain Bolt mash up the track and nobody can come close to him. Him are the fastest man on the planet and him all retire now and nobody can come close to him. But guess what? We have one woman, you see. She named Shelly-Ann-Fraser. She little, but she taller, so they call her what? The pocket rocket. Because she only 5 foot tall, But you see, before them even know how come, she just fly well left everybody. And you know what's so great about Shelly? Master, me never see nobody so good in my life. She just bust up the girl, the record the other day. 10.63 she run the 100 meter. Where one American girl did have for how much year? But guess what? The girl, they did take so much drugs that he kill her. Now, one thing about Jamaican athletes, them not take no drugs, Every minute if you see the Athletic Association and check them because we so fast. And then can't figure out how we can do it so easy. And make all the old drug people, them look bad. Nah, man, them did say, true, you see, come from one place where grow plenty yam. Them did say something in the yam cause it, but Shelly not come from no yam place. Say from 2000 year, that's a 2021 now, from 2000 Shelly-Ann-Fraser and mash up the track. Yeah, man, she had 34 now and as me say, she lick about she tell her nobody can catch her. Say Shelly go have baby. Look after her baby, nurse her baby, and then come back and train and come back and just mash up everybody's record. No, man, the girl, she not only supposed to be in a Guinness Book of Record. She's supposed to have every record in the world. Because them athlete, them no need no drugs to do them thing. You know what them do? Them have discipline. Then train, they know what them want, and then go for it. Usain Bolt and Shelly-Ann-Fraser, same so. Them not push no nasty thing in them body if you try to rub up and thief record. Them don't have to do that. Them just good. And we're proud of them. We are the fastest man on the planet, and we are the fastest woman on the planet. And a little Jamaica then come from, we little but we talawa. Hi, in the previous section, I was informing the world that little Jamaica has the 2 fastest people on planet Earth. Everybody knows about Usain Bolt. He has been retired for some time now, but he was the fastest man on the planet. And although he has been retired for a while, nobody can touch his record. Well, our female athlete called Shelly-Ann-Fraser-Pryce broke the existing world record recently for the 100 meters. And that existing record she broke with a 10.63 run. But the thing is, our Jamaican athletes do not take drugs to help them to win races or to steal trophies. The person who held the record before Shelly-Ann-Fraser-Pryce tested for drugs many times, and it even killed her, they said. But although they test people like Shelly-Ann and Usain regularly, because they cannot believe that they are so good, they have never been able to find drugs on them. So they do it all on their own. And you know what is phenomenal about Shelly-Ann? They call her the pocket rocket because she's only 5 feet tall. But she has been making records from the year 2000. That's 21 years ago. She's now 34. And can you believe it? She went and had a baby, nursed her baby, went back to training, and has now broken the world record, which had been standing for years by this drugged up American. This woman is absolutely phenomenal. You know, they used to say it's because of something in the yam that caused Usain to be so good, because he's from the yam country. And I understand scientists visited Trelawney several times to study yam to see what it is that made this man so fast. But Shelly Ann is from Kingston. So clearly it is not a yam, and it's certainly not drugs. What these two world beaters have in common is their commitment to excellence and their discipline. Have yourself a wonderful day.